And more breaking news tonight, the Connecticut Department of Health confirming a second case of measles in Fairfield County. The child did not attend school while infected. Authorities say the second child infected lived in the home with the child who contracted the first case of measles on April 9th. Authorities say the child who was not vaccinated got sick while traveling internationally. These are the first cases of the virus in Connecticut since 2019.